increase Roblox graphics quality on PS5 for better visibility in games. So the sad thing about PS5 is whatever you get, it's going to be that by default. You cannot do anything. PS5 does not allows you to do any graphics changes whatsoever. So whatever you currently have is the only thing you can do. So in this game Blox Fruit, I cannot change anything I want, even if I want to. I can pause the game over here. I can just go to settings. I can just pause the game. Once I pause the game, I can click on the Roblox icon at the top left of the screen and go to settings. From inside settings, this is the only thing I can change. Look at this. There is display and graphics. From here, I can change the background transparency. I can decrease it or increase it. This is the only thing I get to control. And on graphics mode, I can put it to manual, and from here I can change it. This is the best changes we can do. And after all the changes, I can just click on the O button on my controller and the graphics will change. This is the maximum thing we can control. So yeah, that's how you guys can increase Roblox graphics quality on PS5 for better visibility in game. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.